Hi traders, welcome. Please, if you are new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel because more amazing content are yet to come. So subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, you can also like the video, all right, so that every time when I post, you'll be number one to be notified. Wow. Here is an amazing Forex strategy that I want to share with you people. I know Forex, it hasn't been easy. A lot of people have been losing money. A lot of people are jumping in, and the same time a lot of people are jumping out due to losses, which is actually not deliberately, but is because of the difficulty when it comes to trading Forex. So here is a Forex strategy that I've gathered for many years that I've been into this industry. To tell you the truth, this is surely your last Forex trading strategy that you ever need. All right. In this strategy, I've exposed some things, some real things that causes people to be losing money. I've really tried my best to bring out the real truth behind the market. So right there, there is a link. You can get this you can get this book on Amazon for free. Guess what? For free. You can get this book on Amazon for free. What are you still waiting for? Go to Amazon and get this content for free, and you will appreciate me by the end of the day. Because in this book, I've really tried my best to bring out real secrets that causes the Forex market to be behaving in certain ways. In this book, you are going to learn. You are going to learn the market movements. You are going to learn when to place a trade, and you are going to learn when to come out of the trade, and you are going to learn perfect setup that when you see them on the chart, you are sure of that you are going to be profitable on that particular order that you are going to place. So what are you still waiting for, guys? Just go to Amazon. I've shared the link right there. I've shared the link. Just click. It will take you to exactly point where the book is. Have access to this book. It's free of charge. It's free of charge. All right. So if you are new, I'll still repeat that kindly subscribe to the channel because I'm yet to bring out information. I'm yet to bring out real Forex deep stuff. All right. All right. This is a beginning, and right there is also a free trading signal group where I share some signals specifically for God because I'm a God lover. I love trading God. So you can just check out right there in the description. You'll find a link. You find a link. Don't hesitate to join the group. You can join the group. It's free. It's free. Of course, I have VIP, but this one is free of charge. You can join so that every day as you are learning, you'll be able to be making yourself something. You'll be able to be making yourself uh, uh, dollars. All right. Okay. So that is it for today. Thanks. See you in the next video. Thanks.